Now, after making the grid, let's start making the plane. It is a little bit tricky. You can see here L1 architectural. In the Revit, L1 means level 1, and mostly in L1 and L2 is already given. L1 is the level 1 and L2 is the level 2. Or you can say that ground floor or first floor, or in the stories, you can say the first story L1 and the second story L2. Mostly L1 and L2 is given. And one thing you can see here, L1 architectural, so it is giving you the view of L1 plan. Now you can see from here, if it is L1 architectural, there is one L2 architecture. So in L1, for to make it clear to you, I have hidden the uh, scope box from here, which is visible in L2. This defines the area where you're working. So in L1, you can work without the scope box. You just need to hide it. I have shown you in the previous videos. Now the problem is that after creating this grid, which is in plan, we need to decide the elevation and different stories or different levels or different floors in the elevation. For this purpose, we can simply go to the elevation view. There are many ways in which you can go to the elevation view. From the view, you can go to uh, elevation or 3D view, and from here you can select one. And even if you are going to use this elevation, just you can see elevation, create an elevation view. Just click it. So you will find building elevation here. Now the from here you can see this is written elevation, but the elevation may be east, north, south, west. You can select any one from here, because just saying elevation does not select which elevations are you talking of. So here you can see that there are already two elevations, L1 and L2. It depends what level you want to select. You can select it in this way. This is your north, south, and this is west. Anyone you can select, and even the levels you can rename them L1, L2, or you can start from L0, L1, L2. Let me draw some more levels here. Again, if I want to hide it to show you more clearly how to draw the level, I can select, and from hidden view, elements, and I have hidden all of them. Now we can see that these are level 1 and level 2, and now I am going to make another level, that is the level 3. Go to the architecture, go to the data, and here you can see the level. Just select the level, and it depends on how much do you want to have the height of your floor. It may be 12 feet, it may be 10 feet. You can start it from here. Let me make the level on 12 feet. Then this is our L3, which is again on 12 feet. I can change its height of the, because if your first story is this and second story is this, or zero floor is this, first floor is this, second floor is this, it depends upon what do you want. Even I can change the level. From here it is 12 feet. Let me make it at some other height. Let me make it 10 feet. Now you can see it is 16 feet. Now I am going to convert it into 10 feet. This is a by new line, and it will change its position. Now you can see these are two at 12 feet, and the uppermost is at 10 feet. Now you can see the levels are created. Now, how to make sure that levels are created or not? I can go to the levels. First of all, let me see the names of the levels now. Zoom in region. Let me check. Are they L1, L2, L3, L4? Now this is your L3, and this is your L4. So uh, I can close all the windows. This L1 was open. I can close the L2 if I need. This is my West architectural, which I have made L1. That's zero level, and you can name it as L0, L1, L2. So let me change the name to show you if you want to make it L0. That is the ground floor. This is L1. L1, that is the first floor. This can be L2. By just clicking it, you can rename it L2, and this you can make it L3. It is not necessary, but it depends. If you want the first floor to be zero, then you can do it like this. Now these are, you can see that L0, L1, L2, L3, actually three plans have been created. So you can see it from here that different levels have been created successfully. So after making these views, let's see if there doesn't appear here. You can simply, because this L2 and L3 are new and L0 and L1 were default. So now we want to register all of them. We can go to plan view, floor plan. This L2 is not there. We can click OK. And now L1, we have renamed it. If you, whatever you have done, you can see it from here. So now to take care of the level, because we have changed their name, we can also change it here. So just select it and use rename. It will be renamed. This one was made as L1. You can write here something like first floor, and this one is okay, and this one will be renamed as L0. And now this will be renamed as L1. So it is up to you if you want to change the name, but it has become complicated. You don't need to do it. Just leave it as L1, L2, L3, L4. Now let me show you from here. If you will click L3, you will go on the L3. If you will click L2, you will go to the level 2. So whichever level you will select, you will go on that level. This is the way you can create your levels. Thank you very much for watching. I am Maria. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.